Hey there, everyone. Thanks for joining me again today. I'm so glad you came, and today I wanted to take you guys on another adventure with me. Recently, I got to go to Jekyll Island off Georgia's coast, and I was able to shoot some awesome stuff like drone flights at my grandma's farm on the way down to Jekyll, the bike ride that I took around the whole island, exploring Driftwood Beach, and the Jekyll Island Club. It was an amazing experience, and I wanted to make sure that I filmed it all so that I could bring you all along with me as I went on the adventure. Let's check it out. So the first thing I did was pack up all of my camera gear and clothes and stuff, put it in the Jeep, and then we set off. After driving for about 3.5 hours, 4 hours, we had made it to my grandma's farm. And I wanted to be here to shoot some footage and to also play around with my drone a little. There's some stuff I'd wanted to try to shoot at the farm that I just needed to creatively get out of my system, whether it was good ideas or not. It's something that I had always wanted to do, and I just needed to put that idea into action. Some of this was tracking the Jeep in all these shots here. But then the big one was I wanted to fly my drone from way up high into my Jeep. And I did it. It was a little squirrelier than I thought it to, and I definitely think it has room for improvement, but it was a lot of fun to actually try that idea in real life. After playing around here for a while, I got back in the car and headed to Jekyll. We got there without too much trouble. So we walked into the Westin, put our stuff down, and I went to the beach to just watch the sunset. One of the reasons we were going down there is to ride bicycles around the island. There are trails all throughout the island that just completely circle the island and weave in and out, that you can explore all kinds of beautiful like saltwater marshes and stuff. So we rented bicycles there from the front desk at the Westin, and we set off to do a lap around the 20-mile island. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a very easy bike ride because obviously it's a flat island. But you ride around the edge at the beach or on the marsh side, and then there's little dirt trails in between the main perimeter of the island that you can weave back and forth and in and out of. And you're able to see some beautiful landscapes and wildlife. It's so relaxing. So we went down south on the island, and then we came back up towards the historic homes and all the things around the Jekyll Island Club. The Jekyll Island Club is a really unique hotel that was originally set as a private club for people like the Vanderbilts and the Carnegies and so on. And after exploring those historic places, we rode our bikes farther up to the north end of the island at Driftwood Beach. Driftwood Beach is an amazing beach with huge dried trees that are lining the beach and rocks. For a photographer, it's a very awesome place to go. So much visual interest there. explored around until I had had my fill. If you ever get the opportunity, I highly recommend going to Jekyll Island. Every time I've been there in my life, I've always had so much fun. It's such a pleasant place and an awesome place to explore if you love nature. And I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this adventure this time and got to experience even a little bit of the fun that I had. All right, thanks so much for tuning in. And please, as always, if you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe. It really helps get the word out there and let more people experience these adventures. And thank you so much for spending time with me this week. And I hope to see you out there. Bye.